Is that pot of gold at the end of the rainbow? Heck no. That pot of gold, you're living on it. Absolutely. Your home is a wealth for you. It's your savings account. So don't be tied under a lot of unsecured debt. Don't be paycheck to paycheck when you own your home. You are sitting on your pot of gold. Talk to a loan officer and understand the difference between a home equity line of credit and a cash out refinance. Make sure they go over all the numbers with both options for you to see which one best suits your needs the best. Tap into the gold that you have in your home right now. It's a great time to stop paying 30% of interest on those high interest rate credit cards and take the home equity out and pay them off. I'm Karen Snyder. I'm your mortgage mentor, and I got your six. I want to help you, show you how you can save money every single month and get to the closing table with ease.